Actually, I'm not into reality shows, but yeah, I would like to get some offers for some good scripts on web shows. तो गाली गलोच तो मूवीज में भी होती है यार, वो देखेंगे ना. No offense to the male directors, but female directors have a lot more depth which they want to add to the character, not just to the shot. And television, I would say it is more of a hard work for the actor comparatively, because it's a lot more burden, a lot more responsibility, a lot more life on stake, because it's like a contract for a year. I was in touch with the people associated with All Right TV for a lot of other shows which didn't pan out. So they were very interested in offering me this character, and this time it was something that I could do in my bandwidth. So I was like, why not? And I jumped on the opportunity, and everything aligned, and we went ahead.
So can you tell what character you are playing in this?
Yes, I'm playing Naina, as you can see in Veer Meets Naina, and बहुत ही मज़ा आया मुझे किरदार निभाकर, क्योंकि इसमें वो मुझे रोमांस मिला जो बहुत दिनों से मिसिंग था मेरे लाइफ में भी, सीन्स में भी, स्क्रिप्ट में भी, और बाकी जो उसमें सर्वाइवल है स्पिरिट, वो तो मेरे अंदर है ही. तो कुछ चीज़ें कनेक्ट भी करी, कुछ चीज़ें डिफरेंट भी मिली, एंड दे वर ऑल ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर.
How is different from other shows, if you can tell?
Yeah, it is a lot of soft romance, subtle romance, one with the hero, and then there is one obsessive toxic romance with the villain. And it is a show with a lot of twists and turns and dramas, and every episode you will be like, ab kya hoga? So yeah, I think it is, the stakes are so high in every episode that you are going to have fun when you watch it.
How was the experience working with the co-actors?
This time I had a good co-actor. I mean, not that the others were bad, but this man was very well versed with the craft, and I had something new to see in him, something different. And he was very spontaneous, so we would do some scenes on the spot improvising. I didn't have to think before I improvised. So that was good part for like about working with Mohit. He's Mohit who plays Veerias. So I think it was fun to do the character with him. Yeah, first day was fun. There was a lot of running and chase going on. So, and the location was very beautiful, by the way. I had a lot of fun on the location, because the little jumps from the tree that Mohit did, and how we were hiding in places. So all that hide and seek and the chase that happened on the first day was very beautiful, and the setup was very, very beautiful. Something to look forward to. Yeah, I mean, if you want a lighter but something that gives you a lot of edge romance, please watch Veer Met Naina.
Who was working with the director?
She was brilliant. She was actually she was actually our. She was not just the director. She was a lot more than that, because it was a female director first of all, and no offense to the male directors, but female directors have a lot more depth which they want to add to the character, not just to the shot. So that's what I found slightly different working with her. I think from my director only. I learned a lot from her. She was very compassionate, very empathetic. There was a lot of script left by the last day, but still she never panicked, and the panic didn't reach us. Every scene we would do with our own little time. Of course, we extended the shift, but having said that, we had a beautiful time working on the script, because there was certain kind of shared respect for the material, and they all wanted something good to come out. And I had a beautiful bond with her, and I cherished that.
So
Both, yeah. It's a micro drama, but it'll come in both formats, vertical and horizontal. I mean, there is a lot with All Right TV that is lined up for sure, and I'm very excited for that. See, film I have yet not experienced. Web show I have done. I have done 3 television shows, and I've done handful of micro dramas. So I mean, that makes 3 platforms and 3 kind of formats to talk about. Obviously, there is some kind of credibility attached to web shows and fun that comes that is offered to the actor, but it's somewhere similar to micro dramas as well, because we don't have to live this character for another 7-8 months. Character comes and goes, which adds a lot of freshness to our life and what we can add creatively to the piece that is offered to us. So that's something common between micro drama and web show. Most definitely the level of difficulty is different. And television, I would say it is more of a hard work for the actor comparatively, because it's a lot more burden, a lot more responsibility, a lot more life on stake, because it's like a contract for a year. Here we go ahead and do it in a few days of span. So a lot of fun we have, a lot that we are looking forward to. Jitna bhi hai, we put in that and give it power packed performances. And then we take a break and we recharge and we come back. In television, that is not the case. We have to show up every day. Of course, we expand our capacities to show up every day. But we do get exhausted also sometimes. Sometimes we run out of our creativity. Sometimes that does not happen in micro drama. So that's one plus that we have here. As an actor, I admire a lot of actors in the West. In our country, I think I would say Amitabh Bachchan ji. Not a cliche answer, it is true. I do admire him. I do admire the way he has revamped himself every time, because it's not easy to maintain a career this long. I mean, it's not just about 10 years, 20 years. I mean, so many years, so many times you renew yourself. You put yourself to do something that nobody has ever done before. So yeah, I admire him for that. And of course, I admire him for his discipline, for every other thing that an actor should be admired for, all his professionalism, but mainly for the times that he has gone through that process of rebirth. So yeah, that I really admire. Like every other day, of course, with a warm water and ginger and some lemon and those things that can put my belly on fire. Actually, I'm not into reality shows, but yeah, I would like to get some offers for some good scripts on web shows. No, sorry to say that, but maybe I don't have that much courage to put my whole life out there. It takes a lot from an actor or a human being to put everything on screen. Everything. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ की एक एक चीज़ आप स्क्रीन पे डाल रहे हो. आप क्या करते हो सुबह से लेकर शाम तक, 7-8 महीने के लिए आप उसको वो कर रहे हो. आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव दैट करेज, और मे बी दैट आई एम नॉट दैट अनफिल्टर्ड इन लाइफ कि आई कैन गो एड विद दैट. आई डोंट थिंक सो. एंड सल्यूट टू एवरीबडी हु गोज देयर एवरी ईयर and becomes a part of it. Absolutely. It is an actor's profile. In today's day and age, if you strictly look at it as work, it is very important. It will help you to do that rebirth that Amitabh Bachchan ji has been doing since century. That you can do through your social media. You can change your platform, you can change your vibe, you can change the human being you are and put yourself out there and sell yourself a little bit more. Do your own PR, be your own spokesperson. So yeah, but it does impact a lot to your brain when you see only the highlight and joy of somebody else's life, or you put forward only the joy and highlight of your life. So it is very unfair for the people who are watching you. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि हमेशा आप अपनी दुख भरी कहानियाँ नहीं बता सकते, बिकॉज लोग अपनी दुनिया से एस्केप पाने के लिए एंटरटेनमेंट देखते हैं और दुख देखने के लिए नहीं देखते हैं. एंड राइटली सो. मैं चाहूँगी कि कोई मेरी चीज़ देख के खुश होकर निकले, ना कि ये सोचे अरे इसके साथ तो कितना, आई डोंट वांट दैट. बट एट द सेम टाइम कई बार कुछ लोग वो जो मोमेंट्स ऑफ जॉय है, जो फ्लैशेस हम अपने लाइफ के डालते हैं, पीसेस, फ्रैगमेंट्स, जो सिर्फ एक छोटा हिस्सा होता है, लोग उसको पूरी ज़िंदगी समझ लेते हैं और उसके बेसिस पे आपको जज करते हैं. वो आई थिंक वो आपके माइंड पे सही इम्पैक्ट नहीं रखता है. बट एज ए एक्टर दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड टूल टू हैव. एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड टूल टू हैव. यार जो भी है कुछ बदलाव तो आना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोविड के बाद से सिनेमा ने कैचअप नहीं कर पाया है. कोविड के बाद से कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है. कोविड के पहले तक चल रहा था सब, उतना ख़राब नहीं था, ठीक था. इट वॉज नॉट एग्जैक्टली लाइक हाउ सिनेमा यूज टू बी अर्लियर, बट इट वॉज नॉट दैट बैड. बट सिनेमा आफ्टर कोविड तो भाई काफ़ी डाउन हिल जा चुका है, विच आई फील नीड्स टू कम बैक. इट्स टाइम टू मेक अ कम बैक for everybody. यार we all love cinema. It's reality show cannot eat up. I love reality shows. I love to watch theater. I love to watch alliances. और भी जो नए नए गेम्स आने वाले हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं, देखेंगे, एंटरटेन होंगे. बट दे आर नॉट सिनेमा, दे आर नॉट स्टोरी टेलिंग, दे आर नॉट समथिंग दैट वी वर ऑलवेज प्राउड ऑफ एज इंडियन कल्चर. वो तो गया, ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है. वो नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो रहना चाहिए. Not that only I want to be a part of it, but audience should be subjected to something brilliant. तो गाली गलौज तो मूवीज में भी होती है यार, वो देखेंगे ना. यार देखो ये सब पहले से एग्जिस्ट करता है, वो तो फैमिली में भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. अगर आप फैमिली के स्ट्रक्चर में देखेंगे तो मम्मी पापा की लड़ाई वो भी तो बच्चे देखते हैं. वो क्या सही है? बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो बच्चे गो थ्रू करते हैं जो सही नहीं है. तो सिर्फ एक एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को ब्लेम करना भी सही नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स गाली थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो तो रहा है, आई अग्री. पर क्या सही है क्या नहीं ये तो वी आर नोबडी टू डिसाइड. बच्चे यार इंटेलिजेंट हैं, दे एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट टू पिक अप एंड व्हाट नॉट टू पिक अप. दे शुड नो. आई मीन इतना सोशल मीडिया इज़ गोइंग टू बी थ्रोन एट देम, सो आई थिंक दे शुड बी रेडी टू बी एबल टू हैंडल एंड टू बी एबल टू टेक द बेटर ऑफ इट. Yeah, I mean, let's collectively do something about cinema. अच्छी movies देखने जाना चाहिए guys. Yeah, I loved. यार we all like these movies. कभी खुशी कभी गम, और जो हम families के साथ देखने जाते, कितनी बड़ी हुआ करती थी. They were an event in itself. जैसे दिवाली की holiday है ना, वैसे एक पिक्चर होती थी एंड वो पिक्चर आपके साथ रहती थी कुछ दिनों तक. वो एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ रहता था. वो रियलिटी शोज़ या टेलीविज़न या माइक्रो ड्रामा नहीं दे पाएगा, राइट? आई थिंक माइक्रो ड्रामा कैन गिव यू सम एक्सपीरियंस ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल, बट नॉट एज अ कलेक्टिव एक्सपीरियंस. तो भाई मूवीज़ तो मूवीज़ हैं. आई थिंक वो आनी चाहिए और वो आएंगी. गिव इट सम ईयर्स एंड यू सी दे विल कम बैक. इवन वेब शोज़ आने चाहिए फॉर दैट मैटर. वो भी थोड़ा कम है. आई फील मोर शुड बी देयर.